If you have a loved one who is injured or killed as a result of nursing home abuse or neglect, the last thing you're probably thinking about is initiating legal action. Frankly, that's probably a good thing. But I do have a word of caution for you. Don't let your thoughts about legal action remain on the back burner too long. My name is David Terry, and I've had the privilege of representing nursing home residents and their family members in cases involving nursing home abuse and neglect for nearly 25 years. One of the more frustrating things that has happened is when somebody calls me and we talk about their potential legal case, only to find out that their deadline for bringing that case has gone. It's expired. Virtually every potential legal case has a deadline, and those deadlines are called statutes of limitations. Now, these deadlines differ between states, and you may even have different deadlines within the same state. For example, here in Missouri, there's a 180-day deadline to trigger the Missouri Omnibus Nursing Home Act. If you miss that deadline, it doesn't mean that you have no legal case. You just have to file a different claim, like a medical malpractice case, which has a 2-year statute of limitations, or a wrongful death case, which has a 3-year deadline. So you see, different states have different deadlines. So you want to keep that in mind, even though a lawsuit may be the last thing on your mind after a loved one's passed away. So as hard as it is, you do need to reach out to a lawyer in your area and at least get information about your rights and what the applicable deadlines are for you in your state.